If y'all can hear my cat, he is in timeout because he does not know how to act. So just try and whatever him. What's up, guys? It's Miss Daphne, and I'm back to you with another video. Welcome to my channel. I am a full-time reseller, and basically almost every day I go out and source products via thrift stores, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage. Wherever I can find something and flip it, I'm buying it and selling it. And on my channel I show you many different ways, or I will be showing you many different ways of how I like to, you know, source and even resell some of my products, because it's not just online. You have to subscribe and stay tuned, because I'm going to show you many different ways to make money out here, and it's really that easy to make money. And I'm having another video coming really soon showing you how I make money in one day, a couple $100s in one day, and I don't have to get online and list nothing. I'm literally going to source and sell it. Today's video is going to be the first episode of a series of episodes called Money in the Bank. I'm just titling it that because ching ching, it's money in the bank when we sell things. So these are basically just going to be your typical what sell videos, and I'm just another reseller adding on to the rest of the what sell videos, and I don't feel like that's a bad thing. I feel like these what sell videos are very beneficial to, you know, aspiring resellers or even experienced resellers, because it helps other resellers to know what things are actually selling, what's selling for, you know, our fellow resellers. So let's get into it. And if I look cockeyed, which I might actually be a little bit, but these cameras are like I'm recording my cell phone, so you know, if your cell phone is sideways, I am looking at me and not at the camera, and it's really hard to do that, so y'all don't come for me. Okay, let's get into it. Okay guys, here we are. So I'm going to start on the first. This is store number 1. This is the eBay, my first eBay page. And so basically this is for last week, starting January 25th to the 1st of February. So if I'm not mistaken, it's Monday to Sunday. So we're going to start with sales from the 25th to the 1st. Y'all, I'm sorry for that. Okay, so the first item that's sold is this Lauren Ralph Lauren tiered pleasant skirt in a size 20. I sold this for $45 plus shipping, and I believe I purchased this at Ross for $7 or $8. It actually could have been $6 something, to be honest, but I'm just gonna go with $8, you know, just to keep it safe. And I believe this one I listed in October, and I actually sold a couple of these already too. I have sold like maybe 2 other ones already, so that's a really good profit. I think they all sold for about $45 to $55. Item number 2 is this J. Crew plunge v-neck swimsuit, and I purchased this directly from J. Crew for, I want to say $4, and it sold for $58 plus shipping, or did it not? Yes, $58 plus shipping. Third item. The third item is a Torrid I Work Hard scoop fitted tee. It's actually not fitted, but I sold this shirt. This was actually mine's, and I just never wore it, so I sold it. And I sold this one for $29.61 plus shipping. So the fourth item was this J. Crew slim long sleeve t-shirt, and I sold this one for $20 plus shipping, and I believe I purchased this one for $3 or $4 as well, directly from J. Crew. If y'all want a video on how, like for real, because you can't get on J. Crew at any time. If you want to know how to online arbitrage at J. Crew, just drop it below and I may do a video. I don't know, I have to think about that a little bit. Okay, so the next item I sold was a quantity of 4 of the Air Plus Ultra Arch supports. These sold for, why does it say that? Oh, it was $31.97. I have the promotion on eBay, so I think they got them for, yeah, with the discount they paid $27.66. And they purchased 4 of them, so they got free shipping as well. And they purchased 4 of them. I paid $1.45 a piece for them, so that was like, I don't know, just say like $6. and I had to ship them, which is probably another $7. So it wasn't too bad. This is something I sourced at my this is the one thing that I sourced at my local dollar stores, and I just try to save stock up on those for just small profits. It's a feeling when things are slow, you know what I'm saying? So the next thing I sold was these RF Scott thermal socks. If y'all saw my last video or a few videos back, I showed you how I actually photographed these socks. I'll put the link up here, but I actually showed you how I do my professional photos for my listings. So if you're interested in that, click the link above. I'm not going to show all of them because I would be just repeating myself. But I sold all three. I had 3 pairs. I sold all 3 pairs to the same person. They just bought them on different days. Don't know why, but like every day they purchased one, they purchased another one. So I sold 3 pairs for $14.99 each, free shipping. And I bought them at Marshall's for either $1 or $1.50 each. The next thing I sold was this top fin tropical clean background, and this one I sold for $13.49 plus shipping. And these I sourced at my local dollar store as well, so I paid $1.45 for this one. The next thing was, where we at, January 28th. The next thing I sold is a J. Crew tissue turtleneck and a watercolor leopard print, and this sold for $26.55 plus shipping. And this one was also purchased for $3 or $4 directly from J. Crew. The next item I sold was a Louis and Gray blouse and top. This I had for a long time. Honestly, I've had this for a long time. Louis and Gray and Taylor and stuff like that, they don't do too well for me, but I've had making some good sales from them, but maybe I'm just sourcing the wrong products, I don't know. But this one sold for $14.62, and I believe that was free shipping. But I didn't lose any money, because I think when I go on these sales with you know, all the Ann Taylor stores, I still stay at like a $3-4 range. So I didn't lose any money. I probably made a few dollar profit on that. The next thing I sold was this Ann Taylor Loft wool blend vest, and this sold for $23 plus shipping. We at the 30th, $23 plus shipping. And this I grabbed at my thrift store, and I probably paid like 50 cents for that. The next item I sold was a Crimson Clover lightweight v-neck. I sourced this one at what is the name of that? Sierra Trading Miss. Sierra Trading Miss, directly on from Sierra Trading Miss online, and I believe I paid like probably about $3.50 though, to be honest, because I know what I look at and how I source stuff. I probably wouldn't have paid $55 for that, but we're just gonna say $5. And this one I also had for a while. I actually even relisted it a while back, and it finally sold, thank God. And this one sold for $30 plus shipping. The next item I sold is a Lauren Ralph Lauren button-down shirt in a size 1X. This one sold for $45 plus shipping, and I bought this one at Ross for $7, about $7. Yeah. And the next item I sold is a J. Crew Perfect Fit turtleneck. This one sold for $23.06 plus shipping, and I also bought this directly from J. Crew for $3 or $4 as well. The next thing I sold was these boys Hanes tackless boxer briefs. I sold these for $18.99 with free shipping, and I purchased these at Marshall's not too long ago for $4. So that's all on my first eBay page. Yeah, it's been pretty slow, so that is all I sold for the week on this page. And we're gonna go ahead and get into the next video. The next page. So y'all just give me a second and I'll log into my next page. Okay guys, so I'm on the next page. This is a small page. I only have like maybe a little bit over 100 items, so you know, I get sales here and there on this page. Okay, so the first thing we sold, starting on the 28th, I saw this Majestic MLB World Series Champions 2017 Houston Astros jersey in a size 6XL. This I sold for $75, and I picked this up. Actually, this was the best offer of $75. I had it listed for $125. That might sound a little outrageous, but when something is really rare, I do tend to oversell it a little bit. But I purchased this. If y'all can hear my cat, he's in timeout because he does not know how to act. So just try and whatever him. But anyways, this item I sold for $75, and I picked this up at Ross for, I believe, $12, 11 something. It was on the clearance rack. It had a little bit of dirt marks on the back of it at the bottom, and that's just probably because it fell on the floor or something like that. But hey, it sold for $75, which is really well, and that's plus shipping. The second item I sold was just these pair of QVC jeans right here. I've been having them for a long time. I listed them a long time ago, and I sold this for $9 plus shipping. The next item I sold was this Attack Life Greg Norman sleeveless vest. I sold this for $20 and $20 plus shipping. And this is also something I picked up not too long ago at a thrift store for 50 cents. And the same thing for the last item, 50 cents. The next item that I sold is this J. Crew 2-button blazer. I've also had this for a very long time, and it's been listed for a while. This is probably something I also picked up at the thrift store for 50 cents. And it finally sold not too long ago for $15.30 plus shipping. The last item that I sold last week was a pair of Adidas James Harden Volume 3 basketball shoes in a size 17. And I am being smart on the 17 because a lot of people will tell you don't buy shoes that are bigger or don't buy shoes that are out of the norm. I disagree with that. Yes, they may take a little bit longer to sell, but they do have people out there with big feet that are searching for them. So y'all don't pass up on profits because somebody is telling you, like, yeah, it might sit for a little bit, but if you can get something cheap enough, I would just get it. But anyways, I sold these for $43.49 plus shipping, and I purchased these at Ross for $9.99. And that is it on this page. I think I have a few sales on Mercari and Poshmark, like a few. So that's gonna be really fast. So let me just log into those accounts and then I'll be right back to you. Okay guys, so we have one sale on Mercari that's actually still in progress. And that is a mixed lot of women's clothing, size small. I sold that for $20. I think it was like maybe 8 or 9 pieces. And this is what I typically do when I just have a crap load of like junk. I'm gonna just say junk clothing. I'm not gonna list. This is probably like stuff I just sourced a long time ago or thought I could sell somewhere else and I just didn't. So I like to just lock my clothes up. And again, I am still making profits on this because for majority of my clothes I only paid 25 to 50 cents. But I'm gonna just show y'all what I mean. Hold on. I have a crap load of stuff, y'all. I've been, again, I can't say what I do because I'm going to show y'all in a later video. But I'm just telling you now, people love clothing lines. They think they're getting a better deal when they have a low price and a lot of clothing. So, something for you to know. So, basically, again, I sold this a few days ago. I think the 29th last week. And this sold for $20 plus shipping as well. And moving on to Poshmark, I think I had maybe a few sales. Let me see. Yeah, I think I only sold like 2 things. I think I only sold 1 thing. Yeah. So yeah, I saw a vintage Tampa Bay Buccaneer sweatshirt, and I've also been having this for a while. And the funny thing is with this one was I sent out offers, I think for like $25, and then like a few hours later I had got an offer for $30. So of course I hurried and took that. So, and this again, I only paid 50 cents for it, and I sold this for $30 plus Mercari shipping. And y'all, that is it. That is it. It's not much, but it's gonna get better. We just have to keep telling myself that, you know, it's slow right now for me, and I do not get much listing done, really. I've really been out selling stuff a different way, which I'm gonna tell you another video, but you have to stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you another video how I'm selling stuff that I've been just so addicted to lately because I'm able to make fast money. But if it's something that's really good that I find, I will hold it on and keep it online because I know I'll make more money. But I've been on this other little thing lately, which I'm going to tell you in another video. So y'all subscribe to my channel and make sure if you are liking the content that I'm creating or that you are actually thumbing the video up, it would be very helpful and really be able to help me to be able to make more videos for you guys. If you ever have any suggestions, y'all, I am not a know-it-all. I don't know everything. I just tell you what I know and what works for me. So if you have any suggestions for me, you can leave them below. Like, I like to hear what other people have to say or other people's experience or stuff like that. If you have a question for me, let me know and I will make a video. If it's something that I can't answer within 1 sentence, y'all. I'm not gonna type a whole paragraph in the comments. I'll make a video about it. So yeah, that's it. And I will see y'all in my next video. And it might not be a what's up video, it might be another video. So y'all subscribe. Okay, y'all. Bye.